Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This box has finally arrived, and I am so excited to show you what is on the inside that was sent to me from Krafty Butterfly. Stay tuned.
Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook.
All right, so about a day ago, this box came in from a company called Krafty Butterfly, and they are on Etsy. Now, I'm not going to give any clues as to the contents of it, but let's just say that they specialize in custom gifts. Let's just say that. Okay, now I have not opened this. I've covered up my address and did my best to cover up theirs, although I think it is their business address, so probably was in vain. All right, so I have been eyeing this work, and I think that I have posted it in the Facebook group, the Maker Exchange, our Facebook group, and I'm just excited to have a piece of their work to add to my own collection of custom creations for the home. All right, so it's beautifully packaged. Let's get rid of this ugly box, because that's not what the gift is. All right, so let's see. I'm beyond grateful. I'm beyond grateful. Please note care instructions. Please wash all Krafty Butterfly pieces with mild dish soap. Never put your handcrafted piece into the dishwasher. Avoid using the microwave. So that's her thank you card. It's beautifully wrapped. Cute bow, and you'll see this in some future productions. Okay. Love. Now I'm trying to see if I can get this off. I'm gonna cut it from the bottom. Okay, and then we're gonna gingerly unwrap this foil, which I believe I can use that as well. Let's see if I can get this off. Please excuse the crinkling. Now, me personally, I don't mind hearing the extra ASMR, but for those of you who, are sensitive to that, my apologies. All right, so let me flip this over. Are y'all as excited as me? Drop in the comments what you think this is right now, because it's going to take me a second to unwrap this. And I painted my nails for this special occasion. Let me pause and unwrap the rest 1 second. Okay, so we've got that open. All right, let's remove that beautiful gold foil paper, and I am going to remove this tape. She has packed this with great care to ensure that this glass item, or items I should say, would arrive safely, and they have. So Krafty Butterfly, if you're watching, they have made it here in one piece. I hear nothing cracking or clinking, so oh wow. Oh gosh, they're even more beautiful in person. Now listen, before I get too excited and forget, how this thing goes, there will be a link below in the description box to her Etsy shop, where you can find items similar to this. Now remember, everything that she makes is one of a kind. You will not find duplicate sets of any type of pattern. Similar, but not the same. Which we love over here in our community, our craft community. So, let me get this off and I'm going to come right back. Okay. The big reveal. Now look at that. That is gorgeous. So you've got the black glitter, the gold glitter, and like a gold foil, a matte gold, and a matte silver over there. I can use that for journaling. Okay. And I believe the rest are similar. Now, these I wanted because hubby and I well, I don't have any fancy holiday wear. So I just, right after Christmas, had purchased some glasses with a little bit of gold around the edge. They're like tumblers, not the tumblers that everybody drinks out of on the go, but the true tumblers in the sense of the word tumbler, right? Where you can put like sodas and juices in. Anyways, but so I started with that, and then I have gold chargers that these will sit in, and the next thing I need will be the saucers, and I think I'll probably do those in some silver saucers. So this, I mean, these are the things that people purchase for themselves, for their home, and to bring some fanciness to it during the holidays. I unfortunately have never gotten around to that. I have a nice set, but it's not like holiday wear. So anyways, guys, listen. The craftsmanship and the work that she does, I've watched her videos on her Facebook and her Instagram. So I will leave links to where you can find, maybe some of her process videos or little snippets, because she doesn't show the whole process. She usually shows prepping and things like that, little sneak peeks. So I am so excited to finally have this to start to officially kick off my holiday collection. So listen, I encourage you to head over to her Etsy shop, check out what she has to offer, and add a little festive piece to your collection as well. Now listen, until we are back here together on YouTube and Patreon, my friends. Ooh, look at this little gold stuff. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the Krafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.